This was Stormy's third birthday party and she asked for a mermaid-themed one. She specifically requested for a pool on her party. So we got one. And there's her pool. Wala na ako ibang footage, lalo na yung nag-swimming na yung kids. Nagkasiyahan na din, kaya hindi ko na naisipang kuhanan, sorry. We got this pool not because we want to spoil our kids, but because we've been meaning to have one, and we thought this is the perfect time to make it happen. We got this from Lazada a few weeks before the party, just so we could have it ready and prepped early. Alam niyo naman minsan nagkakaroon ng aberya, like delayed deliveries, damaged items, at hassle magpapalit ha if ever na-damage yan. Siyempre, we anticipated that na din.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Hindi mo isa.
Wala pang tubig!
There's no water yet.
Ayan, oh. Set up na namin.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I'm all ready.
I need to change. Ito, isa ka pa. Oh, wala pa naman yan water.
I want to swim.
On Wednesday nga.
Two sleeps and it's Wednesday.
Mataas pala, oh. Bella, stand properly, oh. That's where the water will be right up to here.
Good morning. It's the morning after. Ito na yung ating pool sa ngayon. So, ayan yung pool. Malaki siya. Hindi ko rin na-expect na ganito pala kalaki talaga. So, later, bibili tayo ng grass para... Ayun, itong malailang ko, oh. Sa sipon. Anyway, yun, bibili tayo ng grass para mamaya isi-set up na natin. Gagamutin na rin natin ng chlorine. So, finally, nakabili na tayo ng grass. Pagpapatuloy na natin ang ating project. Papatuloy na natin. Mega sunblock ako kasi naglalavish ako ngayon. So, kailangan ng protection ng skin, like double protection. Ayusin na natin, guys. I'm so excited! Ha? So, ayan, nagpalit muna ako ng dirty na shirt. Nagamit ito ng asawa ko. Tapos yung shorts ko kagabi. Siyempre kasi ayusin natin to. No, papawisan lang din naman ako. Sayang naman yung mga malilinis kong damit. By the way, di ba kulang nga ang ating mga grass? Bumili kami ulit. Kaya lang, 1.2 meters na lang yung available. Ang kailangan ko is 1.5. Kaso, yun nga, 1.2 na lang. So, bumili lang ko ng tatlong 1.2 meters. Sakat na lang natin. Tapos dugtong na lang natin. Bahala na paano ko to gagawin. Tapos ngayon, ayusin ko na. Pupunuin na rin natin ng tubig. Kasi excited na rin yung mga bata. Magastos na magpalit ng water kaya we also got a full pump and inaral ko talaga yung tamang technique kung paano mag-shock ng water. I tested from time to time, pH level, chlorine level para safe. So ayun guys, na-set up na natin ang pool. Nalagay na natin yung mga gas. Tapos na-set up na rin natin yung filter. Yan, nandiyan na yung filter. Right now, pinifill na natin siya ng water. Pero sa feeling ko, ang hina ng tubig sa pakiwari ko, bukas pa yung mapupuno talaga, promise. May batang hindi na makapaghintay. Time check. Anong oras na ba? Anong oras na, Daddy? 6:42. 6:42. Oh my God. 5 hours na yung tubig na pinupuno. Pero yan pa rin yung tubig. Ganyan pa rin siya kataas. Kasi 1:43 tayo nag-start na mag-fill ng water. 6:43 na pala. So may mga batang hindi na nakapaghintay. 5 hours na yan na nag-run yung water, pero kita nyo naman, andyan pa lang yung water level. Oh my God! Oh.
Let's go. Come on.
Good morning! Ayan na ang ating pool. Ay, good morning daw. Okay, so, wait. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Hininaan ko siya magdamag kasi baka natakot ako baka umapaw. Dahil nung gabi, lumakas yung pressure sobra. Ang lakas ng tubig. So, inisip ko baka pag nakatulugan ko magdamag, umapaw. Kaya, ayan pa lang siya. Okay, so break muna sila sa swimming kasi grabe na yan. Tindi na ng sikit ng araw and now there's just snacking. What are you snacking on?
Broccoli. Those are my favorite food so that I could get strong and healthy.
Yan yung one of their favorite snacks, broccoli. I-blanch lang siya sa water and then lalagyan ng salt and butter, or if salted na yung butter mo, kahit hindi na siguro lagyan ng salt. Nauubos nila yan as in.
Salt.
No, that's bad for the
Don't
butt.
like this too much. Loud.
We run the filter for the first time. The other day, sinet up ng pool. Kahapon tayo nag-start mag-fill. And then, ito yung second day. Naligo na yung kids kagabi. Tsaka kanina. As you can see, yung water natin ngayon is medyo yellowish. Hindi ko alam kung mapapansin nyo. Pero medyo yellowish siya. Hindi sobra. No? But it's not crystal clear. So, i-run natin yung filter tonight. Tapos, bubuhusan ko rin ng chlorine. 5 grams per 1,000 liter of water. So, yung gagamitin natin na chlorine is ito. Philcron. Granules yung gagamitin ko, ha? Siguro pag naubos to, tetry ko yung tablets, yung parang nag-float na lang siya para mas madali. Ito kasi titimpla mo pa siya muna sa timba. So ganito yung itsura ng granules. Yan, Philcron, nag-bought this sa Shopee. Actually, nung summer ko pa to binili kasi dapat nung summer pa talaga kami magsiset up ng pool. Fill lang natin to ng water, about a gallon. Doon natin ilalagay itong granules ng chlorine. Ayan siya, ganyang itsura niya. So, ito ibubuhos natin sa paligid ng pool. But make sure na tunaw na yung chlorine before nyo ibuhos dun sa pool nyo mismo. Tunawin muna siya dito sa timba ng water. By the way, yung ipanghahalo nyo lang dito is plastic lang or wood, ganun. Huwag nyo ipanghalo yung metal. Okay? At lalong-lalo wag yung mga kamay nyo, diba? Common sense na yun, mga mima. Sakto, meron tayong kawayan detenji, no? Dati... O, diba? Para tayong witch. So, hahalu-haluin ko lang to hanggang sa wala na akong ma-fill na granules. For those of you who are wondering what pool yung gamit namin or yung binili namin, ito po yun, no? Intex rectangular frame set na 4.5 meters. I'm not sure ha, correct me if I'm wrong sa comment section, pero I think ito yung biggest sa blue line nila. Kasi diba meron yung gray, yun yung sobrang laki. Tapos yung filter po na gamit namin, ayan yung gamit namin na filter pump, the Intex Crystal Clear C1000. Ang kunin nyo po yung 60 Hz ha. Kasi sabi nila meron daw nagbebenta ng 50. Ito yung 60. We bought that at Toy Kingdom. So there, and then we're going to let the water filter pump run for about 8 to 12 hours. I think I would run it for 12 na lang para sure na malinis talaga yung pool kasi first time ko lang naman ni-run. Pati first time nating sinak yung water. Sana bukas crystal clear na siya. It's now 8 PM ha. Balikan ko to bukas ng 8 o'clock ulit ng umaga.
Good morning! It's 7 AM. Maya-maya papatayin na natin yung filter pump ng pool.
So, ngayon naman itetest natin yung pool water if ideal na siya for swimming. Kasi di ba nag-antay ng chlorine last night, so baka masyadong matapang para sa atin. Sa skin natin, lalo ng kids. So, we have this swimming pool test kit, no? Ganito siya. At yung loob niya is ganyan.
Yan, ito na yung color ng pool natin, yung pool water. Mas luminaw siya, tsaka medyo nabawasan na yung pagka-yellow. Crystal clear yung water natin ngayon. Grabe, napagod ako sa school kay Bella. So ngayon, pag uwi ko, eto, mag-swim kami ni Storm. You wanna go swim with me? Or you want the pool by yourself?
Nope, I never heard you do it.
What is it?
I keep on calling you.
What? Why?
It's cold because it's cold.
It's cold. Or you get out of there na.
But I can't because of my tail.
What?
My tail pussy.
Wow, you have a tail. You're a mermaid. Can I see you swim? Oh my God! Naglinis kami ng pool and shinak ko na rin yung pool kasi medyo slimy siya. So, nilinis namin. Brush yung sides and yung floor. Lahat. Tapos, shock ng, as in shock. Ganon. Maraming chlorine para mamategi yung mga algae na yan. Naglagay din ako ng socks sa filter para doble yung linis. Although 24 hours nagra-run yung filter, hindi ko siya na-shock for ilang days. Tapos yung water pinuno, dinagdagan yung water. So of course, kulang na kulang yung chlorine. 4 days na lang before yung birthday ni Storm, 5 days before her party. Kaya namin ito biniling pool na to dahil dun sa party niya. Dahil mermaid party kayong gusto niya. What? What? What did you say, ate?
She said the best together. You're the best.
Who's the best?
Yes.
Who? Why?
You can dance.
Okay. You tell mommy, tell mommy.
Ready? 2, 3, and go!